Mauro.
Kevin.
So a quick refresher on kind of what we need for a paint project?
Absolutely. If you get like an interior room or an interior paint to do, this is the stuff we need.
Where do we start?
So we start with this protection.
Yeah.
Because we got drop cloths to protect all the floors. And then we have this sheeting plastic, which has the tape on it that you can use on your walls to protect the walls. You're not painting the walls. This is very handy. And then we got this other sheeting plastic over here, which I can cover furnitures with that.
Canvas on the floor, never plastic on the floor, is that right? Or how do you treat that?
I don't like to put plastic on the floor because it's very slippery.
Okay, so we've protected, now we're painting.
Well, now we're painting. So here we have the paint tray, all right? And the paint tray.
For the roller.
For the rollers. And then we have the rollers. It's a 9-inch roller, 3/8. Good for all smooth surface in general inside the house.
So the nap is sort of how smooth or how fluffy it is, right?
Yeah,
So 3/8, and then what would this be?
It's look like 3/4.
And you'd use this and this when?
I need this when I have like a texture wall or a popcorn ceiling. This comes really handy.
Okay, and then this one's just for your flat surfaces?
This is for the flat, smooth surface, like the walls and ceilings.
And then you've got the tray, which of course is important. So you've got the well there.
You got the well there, you get the grit, so you put the paint in there, take some of the excess off the roller, and go to work.
Beautiful, all right. And then this, boy, this was a game changer when they came
This
out.
thing here, I love it. When I found it, I bought about 5 of them. And this is so cool. You use the small brushes to do all your cutting lines on tie space in between trim on the walls. Put it there, do your cutting.
Little magnetic.
Little magnetic holds
Sticks
up
to the
paint.
ferrule right there.
Don't need to be right into the bucket.
So small and tapered for trim, cutting.
Cutting lines in general.
Beautiful. And then obviously your rollers are going on this.
You need that.
For hand, but I see the extension.
The extension, you need this one over here. So this one is so cool. You hook right in there. Make sure that's tight. And this, you press this down, and this becomes like a telescope.
Perfect. Yeah, yeah.
You can go all the way up to there.
Get the ceiling and high
Get
walls.
the ceiling,
Good.
the high spots done in one shot.
Comprehensive list, Mauro, but you know what? We've done this before, and I am thinking there's something missing.
You're missing something.
Yeah.
I got it.
There
Right
it
here.
is. There she is. The
Right?
5-in-1.
This is not the 5-in-1. 5-in-1 is thing of the past. This
Now
one
it's
is
like
about 17-in-1. We got the big round over here that's good for cleaning rollers at the end of the day.
Just scrape it off like that.
Yeah, and then if you turn it over, there's a small one here that's for mini rollers. But we have the range, so you have nail pullers, you get a bunch of stuff, you scrape it right in there.
That one is stitched to your hips at all times.
Oh, yeah, right here.
All right, good list. Thank you, Mauro.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.